Distance that I cross. Now, come out. Gentlemen of the press, we were here on this maybe a better improved section of the OKANIA-OGBOGORO road. You are aware, about 2 months ago, we came here to commission or to flag up this project, having considered the importance of this road, knowing fully well what our people are suffering because of the ring road we are constructing. So we're here this evening to assess the level of work that is going on here. And I think from what we're seeing, it is better than what we met the first time we came here. The contractor has assured us that he has done 90% of the drainage work, and following the weather, this rainy season, that they're expecting to achieve a greater part of the project, hopefully within August and September. All things being equal, he has also assured us that by December, if we miss November, we'll be coming here to commission this road. You can see how excited our people are. It's a road that has been abandoned for the past, at least from what they are saying there, over 14 years. So it means this project means a lot to the people staying here. And for us as a government, it also means a lot that we are doing something that is touching the life of our people. Well, that one, I just crossed them. Okay. No, this is the other side. We just shoot all of that. This one has we have two discharge points. Oh, discharge at that creek. Up forward, man.
Constructing and building, and they tried because the building great. Both are now entered discovered.
So one is here.
Yeah, this look.
One of this one. This one should come this way.
It's not coming here now. It's the other end of the road. That portion.
Several hundred.
They've done.
He's not going to sir. He's not going to sir.
At the regional. One achieve now, make we see what we want to look. I can finish data for this, like this level for zombie. This at 2 kilometers something, we already done. We already finished it.
So what you're saying, within November.
I think so. If the rain no disturb too much, I'm very confident we can finish it. November, yeah.
Wait here.
God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. We love you. We love you.
I'm done.